अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः।
ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरहृषे। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्त कंचन गौरांगे राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। भक्त्या विहीना अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्त्वाश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयीं त्वां शरणं प्रपन्न वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातरया जुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तर्वोऽभिनेदु तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानुतोऽस्मि। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे तं नमामि। श्रीमद् भागवतम 10th canto 9th chapter। When Krishna came in the control of Mother Yashoda and she binded Krishna only with his own robe, Krishna and also that mortar both, and she went to charter Dadi Manthan and another household activities. Sukadeva Goswami began not coming. Sukadeva Goswami was so much inspired, so much happy to see that never Krishna has been binded like this. And he has become so overpowered that he began to tell that Nimang virancho na bhavo nasya panga samsaya prasadam lebhire Gopi jatat prapya vimuktidat. He told 3 times, na imam virancho lebhire, na bhave lebhire, na shi api lebhire. that today Krishna can give everything to all, but today he controlled Supreme Personality of Godhead, and Krishna gave so much mercy to her that even Brahma, being the son of Krishna, you know how he is son? Because he is son of Garbhodasai.
Navel.
From here a Kamal,
Spread,
lotus
lotus.
flower came, and from there he came. It means that son of Krishna himself, Brahma. And Shankar become Hari and her one, no bhed,
No difference.
no difference. He is the most dearest devotees of Krishna. So he is one with. Not that he is same like Krishna. Not this idea. Sakshat Haritvena. Gurudev becomes Hari, but not Vishay Hari, like Dasya Hari. So, Shankar is so much dearest in all Vaishnavas. He is the Guru of all Vaishnavas. So he is very dear to Krishna. That is, it has been told that Hari and her are same. So, but he has not given so much affection and was not controlled by even Shankar. And Sri also always playing on the heart of Krishna. That is Narayan. And always massaging
Lotus
the
feet.
lotus feet. So near and dear, but she has not the Krishna mercy like here, Lord Yashoda. He is also saying overjoyed that Naim Sukhapo Bhagavan Dehinang Gopikastuta Gyaninang cha Atmabhutanam Jatha Bhakti Matamiha. Now I am mane Krishna, can be easily, very lovely, can achieve it. As Gyaninang Sukdev, at first he was Gyani,
For Kumars.
for Kumars, Gyani, Atmabhutanam, yogis, so many yogis. But they have no such love for Krishna that he is my son. So, for them to realize that Krishna can be only controlled. Here control mane Vashibhuti. Vashibhuti, you know?
Control.
Not under control.
Vashibhuti. Only by this affection of Braja. Not by yogis. Sukdev in this Sukdev form, he was not able to go to Krishna. Like Sakhas, like friends, like son, or like gopis. But he is very near and dear to Krishna, because he has told all the very
Intimate pastime.
intimate pastimes of Krishna and gopis to Sukadeva, to Parikshit Maharaj. But he has never told the name of Radhika and Lalita, Vishakha, anyone. Why? Because gopis are always burning in the pira mood of Krishna. If anyone, a little flame, will touch Sukadeva Goswami, then he will be burnt. And he will be like that. And he will miss chanting, remembering and telling Harikatha. So, Gopi Prem is like a very big flame. So Sukdev Goswami, if tell the name of Radhika, Lalita, Vishakha and all, he had described it, explained it. Vyatirek rupa, Vyatirek not but indirect. What is the indirect? What is the indirect? There was a person, some blackish
Bodily color. Hue.
color, very tall and very big. And he took 3 what?
Trident.
Trigons. And telling Hare Krishna, and he was dancing in Bejar. Can you tell who was he? Who? Oh. I have not told his name, but you knew all. And more happy than telling his name. So Sukdev Goswami has told all the names, but indirectly. And this is a very good way. This is called a Rasabhav. So Sukdev Goswami has told the name, all names, by Kaschit, Ko-api, by these words. But he has told more than the name of Radha. Anaya Radhito Nunam. And when he uttered this slok, not direct name, Anaya Radhito Radha Radhito, and he becomes senseless. And he was, what he was explaining, he was derailed, feeling so much separation, like gopis, when Krishna disappeared from Ras. And gopi was all burning in separation. So Sukdev Goswami, always so much separation moved in her heart, if he uttered the name of Radhika, Lalita, Vishakha, and then Parikshit has not to hear all these things. He began to used to be in 6-month
Trance. Samadhi.
Samadhi. So he had not written the name, and if he had told the names, then Srimad Bhagavat was not seen by us in this way. So, but Sukadeva Goswami, not played in the lap of Krishna like Parikshit Maharaj. He was not so fortunate like Uddhav to go to Braja and to have any relation with gopis. But he has something here. So he is near and dear to Krishna. At first he was Jnani Bhakta. But by the touch of Vyasdev, his father, he became like so. Or his eternal parrot of Srimati Radhika herself. But he was playing a part, a role of like what he has played. So he is telling, sing Jashoda, glorifying Jashoda and Nanda Baba. Nang Sukhapo Bhagavan. If anyone wants to serve Krishna in this way, it is a very easy way. But by the ways of Am Brahmasmi, Tattvam Soham, and after that like Dhruva, how hard activities he did. 6 months he could not take any water. Sometimes 2 months or 3 months he could not take air even. Air even. We cannot be like this. Without air we cannot be one moment, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then our soul will depart from us. We cannot do so. It is very hard. Prahlad Maharaj, to be like Prahlad Maharaj is very hard. Seeing everything, everywhere Krishna, 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 very hard. But thinking Krishna is my son, my dearest son, he is my friend, Gopi has never thought that Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. When they remembered, time to time, that Gargacharya has told, or Yogamaya is telling that Krishna is Supreme Personality. They began to smile and laugh. And Gopi, oh, you are Parabrahma. You are Parabrahma, but still we see that you are very greatest cheater, liar, so many things. Always stealing something here and there in Gopi's houses. Always telling lie. Mother, I am not taken anything. Once Krishna, he has taken some curd from butter from any neighborhood gopis. And when that gopi came to Yashoda, Yashoda began to chastise Krishna. You are like monkeys, monkey friend, and telling always lie. I will give you a good lesson. Krishna began to weep. Maya, मैं नहीं माखन खायो. When I have taken makhan, Krishna is weeping and telling, मैं नहीं माखन खायो, मैं नहीं माखन खायो, मैया मैं नहीं माखन खायो. Oh yes, you have taken makhan. Yashoda is telling, you have taken. When I have taken, भोर हुआ भोर भयो गहुवन के पाछे मधुबन मोहि पठायो मधुबन मोहि पठायो. Maya, when I took makhan, and very morning, at about 4 in morning in Brahma, you told me that go to Grace house, and I took my lathia, my all these things, and went to Madhuban with so many lakhs and lakhs cows. How I can manage them? And I was moving here and there, pursuing cows here. Sometimes in so much deep forest, sometimes on the hill Govardhan, full of bushes and thorns. I was. It became evening. Then I came with cows in evening. I came returned, and then you sent me to milk cows. I went to milk them. Now I'm just coming. I have not taken anything. I have not gone anywhere to take. And you are telling that you have taken makhan. Oh, it seems that you are not my mother. You have not given birth to me. Perhaps the boys were telling to me that you are the son of any other, and they have kept you in the hole of any tree, and from there Nanda Baba has taken. So I don't want to disturb you now. I am going anywhere else. Yashoda hearing, she became melted, and she catch hold of Krishna. No, boy, you are my son. You are my son. तुम नहीं माखन खाओ. At first he was telling that you have taken makhan, and now he is telling no, you have not taken. And Krishna is telling मैं नहीं खा, मैया मैं नहीं माखन खाओ. And now he is telling that you have not taken milk. But Krishna is telling, no, Maya, I have taken milk. And thus she took in her lap, and she was what? What word? Caressing. And began to weep. So sometimes This mood can control Krishna. He can please Krishna. Krishna can be the Kritagya, grateful, grateful, indebted by this Brahma. Not by Brahma, but what I told of Prahlad, Dhruva. No need doing so. Only have some relation that he is my child. He is my beloved. No need of marry, nothing. We are in male form, how we can do? If Narad can do, if Brahma can do, all these Shrutis can do, 60,000 of rishis of Dandakaranya do, can think that I am beloved of Krishna. Krishna is my beloved. Why we cannot do? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has especially come to give this, sprinkle this mercy. So he is telling, Nang Sukhapo Bhagavan, Krishna being Supreme Personality of Godhead, Bhagavan, Swayam Bhagavan. Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan. Narayan, Ram are Bhagavan. But Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan. But he can be easily controlled by this brain. Only simply thinking that Krishna is my son, Krishna is my friend, bosom friend. Not thinking of his opulence and that Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan, giving all these things. Only you should think, Krishna is my beloved. So simple and so sweet thing. Krishna can, when Krishna will know, oh, he wants to serve my beloved Srimati Radhika, he will at once come in our heart. So this is very easy way. Yes, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, you will have not to do so much hard austerities for Krishna like Dona and Dhara, Kashyap, Aditi and Hiranyakashipu, thousand of years, Prahlad Maharaj. He was in the womb of his mother for 60,000 years, but not has received this mercy. So this is the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, our disciplic acharyas. So you should realize these glories. They have come to sprinkle these things very easily. And these are in our Diksha mantra, a special thing. But we are not realizing this. How? How you are not? Fire is there but covered. We are not knowing this. But fire is there. Here. If there was no fire, how we can digest all these things? You know Sati, the wife of Shankar, he simply seated down. And she was feeling so much separation mood for Shankar. And his father has insulted, not gave him the part of Jagya. And he has not loved her daughter, this darling daughter, dearest. So she was so worried. And he sat like this. And a fire came and
Turn into ashes.
The fire is here, but we are not realizing. In the same way, Krishna Prem is here. A guru is needed. As there is fire in wood, as the fire in everything, in stones, and if you rub it, then at once fire will come. In matches there is fire, so much fire. A match can burn the whole world. But it is inside. If you do like this, fire will come. So Krishna is here. Prem is also here, but covered with Maya. We are not realizing this fact. Certainly we have some relation with Krishna. And that is either Dasya, Sakhya, Vasalya or Madhura. But those who are inclination something honor for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and they have come in this sampradaya anyhow, I think that they are only of this mood, gopi mood. Otherwise they have gone to another sampradaya. Why they have come? They have some attraction, and that attraction is only that Krishna Prem is here, of that very kind, but latent. Like in a seed, all the whole tree with his leaves, branches, fruits, flowers, everything is in potency of that seed. So in our potency of Atma, everything is there. Only there is need to do like this. Who will do? Our Guru, they will do. And if he is not qualified to do this, he is not Guru. This is the function of Guru. He helps by this to make it out. So he is telling, Jnaninam cha atma bhutanam jatha bhaktamitam. As bhakts, like Brajavasi, having the mood of Brajavasi, they easily can control Krishna. But this Jnanina, mane yogi and Jnani, they cannot control anyhow to Krishna. So this process is so good. What became afterward? Most things. কি কত সময়
বেশি হয়নি, তার সঙ্গে বেশি না বললে।
Yashoda Maya came to again
Churning.
but he has kept her heart there with Krishna. She came empty-hearted and thinking, what blunder I have done? So sweet, so soft Krishna. In my old days I have that son, and so sweet, and how I did blunder. And he began to weep in
her heart.
In her heart. None was to console her. And Krishna with voice he was playing. I have told that all were pushing the mortar, and Krishna was out of that house, courtyard, and there were 2 trees here. Satyadhidhatum nijabhakta bhashitam. Here also it has been told. Pura narad sapena. कि वृक्षताम प्रापितौ मदात नकुल नलखुबर मणिग्रीव इति ख्यातो श्रियास्मितो. Krishna can play so many activities in one action. What I am going to tell? Then in activities, like Krishna is taking Govardhan. Why? He took Govardhan to save all the Brajavasis. But this is not internal mood of Krishna. It is outward. Iho Bhashiya. What was that? That now the gopis are Kishori. They are not now girls. And he wants to make a relation with the gopis very nearer. But they cannot come because Krishna is always engaged. When living in home, Jashoda always there, Nand Baba there, Upananda and all. When he goes to cowherd, then all cowherd boys. After that, when he returns, all mothers assembles him. And after that he takes some prasadam and he sleeps. Gopis had no time to meet Krishna alone, with anyone, but their love and affection for Krishna is so much matured. They cannot live without Krishna. Krishna knows so. He wants to give any
Chance.
chance that they should come very nearer, very near. He took the mountain hill very easily to protect all the gopis. So all and gopis, cows, everything of Braja, they took shelter in that pit of Govardhan from where it has been uprooted. All came inside. These girls of 12, 14, also they came very nearer to Krishna. Anyone cannot tell anything ill in this occasion,
The danger time.
so they came. And Krishna was so happy to meet them, very nearer, taking this. But his crooked eyes was where? So this was the occasion, very good fortune. Krishna thinking that all gopis has come. And in 7 days their prem
Increased.
increased so much that next year in Basantari, in Sarad Ritu,
Autumn.
on Purnima, all met with Krishna. But first meeting is this. So Krishna can play
Krishna
so
can-
many roles in one action.
Krishna can do so many tasks by his own action.
So here also, when Krishna was binded, and all the boys were clapping and laughing, making that Krishna, again we will do like so, we will tell to
Mother Jasoda.
Mother Yashoda. And Krishna thought at that time, oh, Narad Rishi, my dearest devotees, has given some words to this Nalkubar and Manigri. Especially Kuber is Krishna Bhakta and very near dear to Shankar. Always hearing pastimes of Krishna, Srimad Bhagavata and everything from Shankar and Parvati. But his son Nalkara Manigri, they were supported in a very opulent stage. They are so beautiful, like king's son.
Princess.
And they have come in a very
High
rusticated family. They were also learned, so much wealth. 4 things were there. Sri,
Janma.
Masu, wealth, high, in coming in very aristocrated family. The second, beautiful shape. And fourthly,
Too much wealth.
wealth. Learning,
Janma is Sarja.
Janma, Aishwarya, Sruta, Vedhama, Anupama. If 4 things are there, then he cannot serve Krishna. He cannot chant Krishna. Very beautiful lady, very beautiful. He is always she. How beautiful that. And she will like to show her beauty to all in the street. Also sometimes I have heard that being naked also. She cannot do bhajan.